In this video, I'll show you how to send money from the UK to Dubai. To do this, I would use Western Union. So if you want to use it, just go to their website and then make sure your country is set to the UK. From there where it says send to, just gonna search for the United Arab Emirates and select it. And here you can also choose how much you want to send. Then just click send money now. And then from there, how does your receiver want the money? So you can deliver it by bank account or cash. And then how would you like to pay? You can do it online or in store. Now for online, you have credit or debit card, bank transfer, Google Pay, or a faster bank transfer. So you just select whichever one you want. I'll do a credit or debit card. Then click continue and you will then need to sign in. Then from there, again, make sure it's all set correctly. So how you pay and how it's delivered. Then click continue. And then from there, you'll just need to enter some details about the recipient, such as their IBAN to actually deliver the money, as well as the name. If you're sending to yourself, then you can just select that. If you're sending to someone else in Dubai, then you will need to enter their details. And you also need to give a reason for the transfer. And then after entering all of the details, you will get to an overview. From there, just check if everything is correct. And if it is, pay for the transfer, and it will then be on its way to your recipient in Dubai. So now you know how to transfer money from the UK to Dubai. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.